Hi everyone, welcome to this What I Eat in a Day. My name is Julian, and if you are from Austria, Switzerland or Germany, you may know the Instagram channel Pflanzlich Stark, where I have been working together with Vivo for over a year now, and I'm really enjoying it. And today it is my honor to show you guys what I would eat in one day. So basically, next to me or behind me, you can see all the foods, all the ingredients for the dishes that I will create. Today the focus is, as it should be, on whole food, plant-based ingredients. It is of course all vegan, and today I won't show you, sometimes I will have ice cream or I'll buy a meat alternative or things like that. But today I'll try to cook fresh and prepare as much healthy and nutritious foods as possible. And this is an example day, I think we all know that sometimes we have days where we eat better, sometimes we have days where we don't eat so healthy. This is I guess, one of my better days. So to give you guys an idea, I'm currently weighing 85 kilograms and I'm 1 meter and 81 centimeters in height. And I guess, I estimate that all this here has maybe around 3,500 to 4,000 calories, maybe something like that, I'm not sure. So it looks like a lot. This is probably because it is a lot. And well, I'm not the best eater, but I can be quite hungry. So keep this in mind. If you're smaller or if you're not that hungry, of course you can prepare less. But well, this is basically what I will eat, and also while trying to maintain or build some muscle mass and being physically very active. Yeah, so I guess what I'll do now is grab the camera, let you have a closer look at all the ingredients that I have here. Walk you through the different dishes as I've planned them, and after that you'll see me cooking, and hopefully we'll end up having some delicious dishes. Alright, let's go. All this is my breakfast, which will usually be a smoothie bowl. Since my mixer is currently not working, I will improvise a little. I will mash 2 bananas together with strawberries, which were frozen strawberries, and mix this together with unsweetened soy yogurt, soy milk, and a scoop of Vivo Perform. I really enjoy the flavor cinnamon banana for this one. I will top it with a diced apple. I will top the diced apple with curcuma and cinnamon. And then basically I'll add some more toppings. I'll have some granola, some freshly milled flaxseed, some mulberries, walnuts, peanut butter, which is not as runny as I'd like it. I'd like to drizzle it all over, but well, I can live with this. And some pumpkin seeds. And this is basically my breakfast. My lunch is a super simple 3-ingredient oven roasted dish, which consists of tofu, broccoli, and potatoes. I'll cut the potatoes and some veggies. Broccoli is already cut. Make sure to also eat and use the stem. And it's exactly as healthy and delicious as the other part. I'm not sure how you call it. Well, of course, some tofu, which has been pressed already to get rid of excess water. And I'll use a marinade I think I'll use the same marinade for all 3. Just cover all 3 in a marinade, put it on a baking tray and bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. Super simple. For the marinade, I'll use some spices and some soy sauce and rapeseed oil, I guess. And that's basically it already. This will be my dinner. I'll have Italian style bruschetta, which I will probably mess a little with because I like to have red onion in it as well, next to basil, tomato and tomatoes. I think you usually wouldn't put red onion in there, and I also won't use the whole onion, probably only a quarter of it, and another quarter for the salad that goes with my bruschetta. I have rucola or agula, I'm not sure how you call it in English, I hope you get what it is. It's also a cruciferous vegetable, just like broccoli, super healthy. Also some lettuce, cucumber, bell pepper, some chickpeas, this is half a can, some sunflower seeds and pine seeds, which I will roast, and some olives. And for the bruschetta, of course, some wholemeal bread, which I will fry in some olive oil on really low heat. You can also toast it, of course, if you don't like the excess oil and want to keep it lower calorie, but I want to go all the way and fry it in some olive oil. Super tasty. And for the salad, for the dressing, I'll use some lime juice and probably also some olive oil and some dried herbs. I have here oregano, parsley probably, and something you call dill in Germany. I'm not sure what the English word is. I hope it's the same. This is my dinner, however. Lastly, these are the snacks and the supplements that I'll have in between meals. And well, additionally to the meals, I'll have a fresh pressed orange juice consisting out of 4 oranges together with some ice cubes. And definitely you have to make sure to drink your fresh pressed orange juice with a straw, because I'm sure it's not the same to drink it straight from the glass. It tastes better when you drink it with a straw, a glass straw of course, or a bamboo straw. Then we'll have a carrot, which I like to throw into my backpack and snack on whenever I'm somewhere getting hungry. A handful of Brazil nuts, some dried mango, which is definitely a guilty pleasure of mine. So delicious, so sweet, and definitely a nice alternative for processed sweets. Speaking of which, I like to have some chocolate as well. Here I have dark chocolate with whole hazelnuts, super delicious. And make sure to grab a vegan one. Not all of them are vegan, unfortunately. And well, might have an additional muesli after dinner when I'm still hungry. These are some wheat flakes with some freeze-dried berries, which I'll have together with soy milk or oat milk. And the supplements I use, of course, B12 daily and well, omega-3 like algae oil. To be honest, I don't use it daily because I keep telling myself that my breakfast is full of flax seeds and walnuts containing a lot of omega-3 acids, but I guess should make sure to also get the omega-3 acids from algae oil in daily just to be safe. And once again, the entire view. This is what I eat in a day. And now let's get cooking. First, peel and mash the banana with a fork. Same goes for the strawberries. Add plant milk and stir in the protein powder. Dice the apple, add plant-based yogurt, granola, flax seeds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, mulberries and peanut butter. Unfortunately, this one didn't end up very food pornish, but I can give you more mouth-watering pictures of almost the same breakfast. Moving on to the oven-roasted tofu and vegetables. Cut all the potatoes in wedges of approximately similar sizes. To marinate, I needed a bigger mixing bowl. Add potatoes, broccoli and tofu, cover with soy sauce, oil and spices and give it a good stir. Add the corn flour and stir again. Lay it all out on a baking tray and put it in the oven for around 30 minutes on 200 DC. I took the broccoli out a little earlier so it wouldn't burn. Time for dinner. Place tomatoes, onion, basil, pepper and thyme in a food processor and mix. Roast sunflower seeds and pine seeds in a small pan on low heat and add half of it to the food processor. Other half goes into the salad. Cut cucumber, bell pepper and onion and throw together with the rest. Damn it, I needed a bigger mixing bowl again. Top with herbs, lime juice and olive oil. Cut the garlic clove and gently brush the bread with it. Then fry the bread with some oil on low heat. I added the garlic to the pan for extra taste. The snacks and supplements obviously don't need much preparation. I assume you are familiar with cutting and squeezing oranges. Boy, how I love some fresh pressed cold orange juice. And there you have it. This is what I eat in a day. Thank you guys for watching this video, for joining me in this session. I really enjoyed it. Thank you Vivo for letting me host this. If you're vegan already, I hope you saw something that you like, maybe some new ideas, maybe some inspiration. If you're not vegan yet, maybe this inspired you to substitute some more animal ingredients and put in more plant-based ingredients. Maybe you thought, well, look at that. A vegan diet can be nutritious, healthy, delicious, doesn't have to be a lot of time preparing all that stuff, you know, because this is what veganism is about. It's about having fun preparing foods, you know, having fun eating, being healthy, and doing good for the animals and the planet, which is really great. Vegan diet for me combines it all. And yeah, I'm grateful for having Vivo as a partner, providing me, and not just me, but people all over the world with the best quality supplements that there are on the market. This is really great. And guys, I want to thank you again for watching this. If you want, join me on my Instagram channel, pflanzlich stark. See you there. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.